Plungie pools has been a game changer. We're no longer waiting on subcontractors to install our pools. We can install them ourselves and we're saving time and money in that process. I'm Buddy, I'm the owner and director of GJ Gardner Homes, Northern Gold Coast. I'm in charge of the process from sales right through to the handover of our house. Being involved with Plungie has made the process a lot easier for pool installation. At first we had doubts using a precast pool because we had never seen it done before and we were unsure of how it would work. After our first installation of a Plungie pool, we realised how easy it was due to the lack of trades needed. Traditionally, a pool could take up to 8 weeks. There's a lot of subcontractors involved, and now we can save at least 7 of those weeks, so we've got more time for our design and installation of our landscaping. The biggest benefit of Plungie pools is it comes off the truck, finished product. Once it's installed, it's finished, ready to go. Fill it up with water and it's done. It only takes up to 4 weeks for us to get from an order to an installed pool. All the staff at Plungie are great to deal with, from the manager through dispatch all the way to the delivery drivers. They're really great people to work with. So we get a lot of good feedback about Plungie pools from our display home at Yarrabilba. I highly recommend Plungie pools to other volume home builders due to the ease and the money and time it's saved.